Are you watching the World Cup?
Yes, of course I'm watching the World Cup.
Is it true?
Yes.
That in at least every team playing the World Cup,
Yes.
there's an African player?
Yes, of course. Most of the teams playing in the World Cup right now has at least an African player.
Very true.
Yes.
Qatar.
In Qatar, we have Karim Bodiaf from Morocco.
Next.
Boalem Kouki, Algeria. Pedro Miguel Cavano, Cape Verde.
England.
In England, we have Bukayo Saka.
Correct.
Nigeria. That is England.
Wales.
Wales has Ben Kabango from Angola.
Correct.
Ethan Ampadu from Ghana. Soba Thomas from Sierra Leone.
Correct.
That is Wales.
United States.
United States has Yunus Musa from Ghana.
Correct.
Haji Wright from Liberia.
Next.
Timothy Weah from Liberia. That is United States.
Australia.
Australia has Keanu Bokus
Correct.
from South Africa.
True.
Garang Kuol, South Sudan. Awer Mabil, South Sudan. That is Australia.
Denmark.
Denmark has Alexander Ba from Gambia.
True.
Yusuf Poulsen from Tanzania. That is Denmark.
Germany.
In Germany, we have Thilo Hera from Burundi.
Yes.
Ahmed Bella Kocha from Cameroon.
Correct.
Sofa Mukoko from Cameroon.
True.
Serge Gnabry from Ivory Coast.
Yes.
Jamal Musiala from Nigeria.
Yeah.
Leroy Sane from Senegal.
True.
And Antonio Rudiger from Sierra Leone. That is Germany.
Spain.
In Spain, we have Nico Williams from Ghana. Ansu Fati from Guinea-Bissau.
Correct.
And Alejandro Balde from Guinea. That is Spain.
Belgium.
In Belgium, we have Jeremy Doku from Ghana.
Yes.
Lois Openda from DR Congo.
True.
Romelu Lukaku from DR Congo.
Correct.
Yoweri Tielemans from DR Congo. Miki Bushwai from DR Congo. And Amadou Onana from Senegal. That is Belgium.
Canada.
In Canada, we have Ishmael Kone from Ivory Coast.
True.
Richie Layers from Ghana.
Yes.
Alfonso Davies from Liberia.
Thank you.
Ikbe Ugbo from Nigeria.
Correct.
Samuel Akogugbe from Nigeria. That is Canada.
Switzerland.
In Switzerland, we have Bril Embolo.
What?
Embolo from Cameroon.
Thank you.
Edmilson Fernandez from Cape Verde. Manuel Akanji from Nigeria. Noah Okafo from Nigeria. Jibril Sow from Senegal.
Thank you.
And Dennis Zakaria from South Sudan.
Correct.
That is Switzerland.
Portugal.
In Portugal, we have Nuno Mendes from Angola.
Thank you.
William Cavano from Angola.
True.
Joao Mario from Angola.
True.
Rafael Leao from Angola.
Yes.
And Danilo Pereira from Guinea-Bissau.
Thank you.
That is Portugal.
France.
With France, this is special.
Why?
We have Karim Benzema from Algeria. Kylian Mbappe from Cameroon.
Yes.
Eduardo Camavinga from Angola.
Thank you.
Jules Kounde from Benin. Oleren Chouameni, Cameroon.
True.
William Saliba, Cameroon.
Yes.
Dayot Opemekano, Guinea-Bissau.
Correct.
Ibrahim Konate, Mali.
Yes.
Youssouf Fofana, Mali.
Yes.
Mateo Guendouzi, Morocco.
Correct.
Steve Mandanda, DR Congo.
Thank you.
Randal Kolo Muai, DR Congo.
Correct.
Axel Disasi, DR Congo.
Correct.
Ousmane Dembele, Senegal.
Very
That
true.
is France.
So what is your take?
So my take is this.
Yes.
France having 15 African players in the national team, it means what?
Africa has won the World
We
Cup.
have already won the World Cup.
Thank you.
And the legit teams is only from South America and Africa.
Exactly.
Leave us alone and we have taken this thing.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Ole, 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 ole.